Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I explain how to convert a disk from MBR format to GPT format. If you want to know how to convert an MBR disk to GPT on Windows, using PowerShell, I will explain it to you step by step. I will convert from MBR to GPT on a USB flash drive, and keep in mind that converting a drive from MBR to GPT, or vice versa, will erase all data from the drive. So make sure to back up all data stored on the drive before starting anything. Open the PowerShell window. Then enter the command get disk. This command will list all available disks on your computer. Then, enter the command Diskpart and hit enter to open Diskpart. Then, type list disk in Diskpart and press enter to make the computer list all existing disks. After listing all the disks, I now have 3 disks. I will now convert the disk called disk 2 from MBR to GPT. Type select disk and disk number and hit enter. It should show you select the desired disk. Then type clean in Diskpart and hit enter. The clean command will delete and remove all volumes. Finally, type the command convert GPT and hit enter. The convert GPT command will instruct the system to change the MBR disk to GPT format. Finally, enter the command exit to exit the Diskpart application and close the PowerShell window. And to verify that the drive has been converted to GPT format, open the run window and enter the command diskmgmt.msc command, and this will open the disk management window. And then click on the View tab, select Top, and from the drop-down menu, select Disk List. In the last column partition style, you will find that the USB flash drive has already been converted to GPT format. The last step is to format the USB flash drive, because you will notice that the USB flash drive space is unallocated disk. Right-click on the disk and select New Simple Volume. Then click on the Next button. Follow the rest of the steps, and the disk will be formatted. I think that the steps to convert the hard disk format from MBR to GPT are very simple. I will leave you all the commands used in the video description. Thank you for watching. I hope that the video is useful to you. I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.